Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials, and in this video we are going to be learning how you can export with best settings in CapCut. So let's get started. So right now, as you can see onto my timeline, I have this sequence or a project being edited, and now I want to export this. So what we can do is simply head over to the top right side of our screen, and in here you can see this blue export button. Click on that and you can see a window just popped up, which is basically our exporting window, and from here we can choose a title for our project. So you can name it anything that you want. So let's say I want to name it my graphic, and after that you can choose a location where you want to save your project. You can choose anywhere on your local storage, and after that you can see we have our video exporting check mark. So make sure that it is checked so your video just exports, and in here we're going to be selecting the resolution, but usually it is adjusted to the default that we are actually working in our timeline. So make sure you don't just upscale it, do not set it to 4K, make sure it is 1080 if you are working with 1080 aspect ratio, or the resolution of your canvas is 1080, then it should be 1080. After that, the bitrate, if you want to have a really crisp and high quality video, but make sure that the downfall is that you're going to be getting a much more file size, and a higher is recommended. But if you want to make it really high quality, you can set it to customized, and you can increase it from here. You can also change it to static bitrate, which is not suggested. You can keep it to variable bitrate and increase this bitrate to anything that you like. I usually like it to keep it on recommended or higher. And after that, the codec is the most important thing. Now for most of the videos that we are editing, it should be in H.264 codec, so it is supported by most of the device. 99% device uses this codec. And after that, the format, definitely if you want MOV you can do that, but MP4 is always recommended. Finally, the FPS, 60 is the best if you want smoother animations. Now if you are editing something cinematic, you can go for 24 frames as well to make it look really nice and cinematic, but for graphic works it is recommended to go for 60 or 50. 60 is the best which I use. So once you're done, you can run a copyright check as well, which is a new feature in CapCut, and below you can see it is saying the duration and size. Click on export and you're done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with the friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.